Guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Figaro shop. One of the things we get asked about the most is how to use the Figaro radio. Now, if yours is original, it possibly doesn't work. But if yours has got a digital screen and a little tape deck that won't open like this one, it's probably been upgraded. Now, sometimes these are a little bit confusing to use. So today, our resident stereo expert, Ant, is going to show you guys how to use it. In this video, we're starting with tuning the radio in.
Right, so what you want to do is turn your ignition on, put the aerial all the way up, then you want to go over to your stereo, and this button here is your search button for radio stations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it in for 2 seconds, so it automatically searches for a radio station, and as soon as it comes up with the name of the radio station. Then down here, all these buttons here, these are ones where you want to save the radio station. So what you do is on number 1, hold it in for 2 seconds, and it saves the radio station to your stereo. Now I want to search again for another radio station. So that's radio 1, and I'm going to save that to number 2. Hold it down for 2 seconds, you hear a little beep, and it saved it to the stereo. So when I'm driving and I want to listen to BBC 3 or whatever I had on the first one, I literally all I need to do is press number 1, and it will go straight back to the desired radio station. I hope this helps.
Guys, there you go. That's tuning the radio in and saving the stations. Look out for our other videos on using different parts of the Clarion radio. See ya.